For this raw vegan barbecue sauce, place 4 soft pitted large Medjool dates in a small glass bowl and cover with at least 1 cup of drinking water. Cover and leave on kitchen counter overnight or at least 6 hours to soften. The dates should be slightly squishy when pressed. Place the soaked dates in a small food processor or double the batch and place ingredients in a high-speed blender like I have here. Add 1/2 cup date water. I save the extra date water for smoothies. Add 3 tablespoons rice vinegar. Don't substitute another vinegar or it just won't taste right. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut aminos. Make sure to use coconut aminos and not Bragg's aminos as they taste completely different. Add 2 teaspoons smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon mustard powder, 1/2 of a teaspoon garlic powder, and a few dashes of chipotle powder. Blend on low, gradually increasing the speed to high to puree. It should look like this, slightly chunky with no large visible pieces. Place a small funnel over a glass dressing bottle and slowly pour the barbecue sauce into the funnel. Look how nice and thick this is. Gently shake and continue. Cover and keep in the fridge for up to 5 days. Shake before using. This raw vegan barbecue sauce is sweet, sticky, tangy, and smoky. It really tastes a lot like a yummy Carolina Honey's barbecue sauce, which has always been my favorite. The complete recipe is in the YouTube description below. For my favorite low-fat, oil-free, plant-based vegan recipes, order my cookbook with vegan nutrition facts on how to prevent and reverse disease, which chronicles my personal health and weight loss story through my website, thehigh5diet.com.